Welcome to the Millsurf Mike channel. I'm going to do a quick video field stripping the CZ or vz.24 and vz.27 pistols and putting them back together. So first of all, we're going to show that it does lock on open. There is nothing in the chamber or magazine. These pistols, now this is not a magazine release as on most modern pistols. It just releases the safety. You got a heel release, so when you let the magazine, bring the magazine out, it brings a slide forward, and so you're ready to field strip. You do want your hammer down. You got to push that in, and that'll help you pull that down. Hold your slide on. Pull that out of the way, so your slide just comes off. You have your mechanism to help rotate your barrel right there. You have your cap, or you have your spring and your guide rod, and then you have your barrel in there. And you notice your barrel. Oh, you got to take your bushing out. Got a quarter turn and pull it out. And then your barrel, you see how you meet up with the groove in the slide there. So you got to twist that back, pull it out, and remember those two cutouts there. But basically, you are field stripped for the vz.24. Now, let's go ahead and put that back together, and we'll do the 27. There really isn't much difference between the two, except this is a direct blowback, whereas this is turning. This is a turning barrel. So remember those two. You just got to match up these lugs here with those cutouts. You bring that barrel back in, twist it, and you see right there. Put your spring guide rod back in. Remember, the plunger end goes towards the back of the pistol. So let's go ahead and just set that in there. Let's put our bushing back in. Quarter turn back. And we have this little mechanism. Now this mates up with your to rotate your barrel. So let's put that there. Now keep this in mind right here, because this needs to mate up with your hole to put your pin back in. So let's go ahead and put our slide back in. And remember, oh crap, our bushing came out. There we go. Let's put our slide back in. And sometimes you got to hold the barrel back. So you notice that groove will allow you to put your pin back in now. So we put that back in. Just push that back up. Function check. And that is a field strip and reassembly of the vz.24. The 27 is very similar. Like I said, that is not a magazine release. You got your empty chamber, empty magazine. So we pull our magazine out again. Push that in. Pull that down. Pull that out. And the reason I'm doing this the same video, you might have to pull that back a little bit. The reason I'm doing this the same video because these are very similar takedowns and reassemblies. Instead of a rotating lug, though, you just got your locking lugs there to match up with. So that comes off. Got your bushing again, quarter turn, pull that off, and just a little different rotation. So you pull it out, rotate it where it meets up with that groove right there. You rotate it all the way around to pull it out, and you are field stripped on your 27. To put it back together, your locking lugs go towards the top of the slide, so you push that in. When it meets up with the groove again, put it back. Again, your plunger goes towards the back. Your spring guide rod. Let's go ahead and put our bushing back in. let's put our, you want to mate that up properly. So again, remember you got your little notch there. You got to mate it with the hole to get your pin back in. So let's go ahead and get that. And go ahead and put our pin back in. Alright, so if you want to learn about the development and history of these videos, check out the video that I will put right there. Otherwise, thank you for watching, and as always, have a great day.